So hard to see all that. Well, we're breaking records here, right?
Records.
And heat.
I know. So, we have high pressure here on the West Coast, and that's the way the Earth balances itself out. On the other side of the country, we have a low pressure system. So when it's warm here, it's always much colder on that side. And then, yes, we are breaking records here in Southern California. So it is unseasonably warm for our standards, but it's a nice break from what we were dealing with earlier in the week. We had all that rain, but there is a chance now that we could see another shot for some wet weather. So I'll get to that in just a bit. But for now, take a look. This is Santa Monica, and we did break records. LAX, Long Beach, and Camarillo all broke records today. We're still looking at mostly clear conditions tonight, but I just want to point out that we do have a lot of that cold air really pushing in from Canada. So it's bringing in some very wintry weather to the Midwest, and it's also going to push through tomorrow and into Monday for the Great Lakes region, and that in turn will head over to New England as well. So take a look at what it feels like in these areas. Down to single digits for Chicago, 5 below for Minneapolis, 11 below for Grand Forks. And here in Southern California, we're looking at mild conditions. This is a live look with our Mount Wilson camera looking at the basin. 66 right now for downtown LA, and the winds are pretty calm, and it's also pretty comfortable after a really warm day. We're still feeling temperatures mainly in the 70s and 60s, 75 for Camarillo, 74 for Fullerton. Now we have a long weekend heading in here in Southern California. So starting Monday, if you plan on heading to the coast on MLK Monday, just know that there is a beach hazard statement that goes in effect Monday morning from the Central Coast all the way down to San Diego. And this means that the waves are going to get bigger and is really going to pick up. So strong rip currents. We could see some minor coastal flooding and beach erosion. If you plan on heading to the coast, just camp out closer to a lifeguard shack. Otherwise, a warming trend continues, mostly clear tonight, and those temperatures will continue to stay warm and then drop once we head into the middle of the week. With all this rain that we got earlier in the week, we are still well below average. We definitely need more. We set the rain gauges back down to 0 on October 1st, and that's when the rainy season starts. We got just under 2 inches of rain, but you can see normally we should be over 5 inches. So we are definitely just under by 3.5 inches. And then if you want to look at a calendar year, we're a little bit ahead. But again, the rainy season starts for us on October 1st. So high pressure continues to sit over the region. Once we head into the next couple of days, there is a low pressure system, a cold front that's going to slide just to the north of us. That's going to allow some temperatures to dip down once we head into the middle of the week. So by Wednesday, expect temperatures to cool down compared to what we're dealing with now. And then there is another system coming in. This one potentially could bring us some light to moderate showers by the time we head into Friday. So we're hoping that this holds together to give us some more moisture. But right now, computer models are differing, so we're going to continue to monitor this. Otherwise, tonight, we're going to see temperatures dipping down to the mid-30s for the mountains and also for the high deserts, and then low 50s for some of our coastal communities. Highs tomorrow about the same as today. 84 for Northridge, 78 for Torrance, 67 for Laguna Niguel and Laguna Beach, 80 degrees for San Bernardino. Here's a look at the next 7 days. So again, once we head into the work week, we start to cool, and then there is that chance for rain on Friday. Back to you.